Okay, so in class, I know we went over this, but I'm reworking it again, and I'm still not completely up to par with this. So we're going to do it my way. So when I'm looking at it my way, I'm going to say Sylvia wants to save enough money so that she can buy a new outfit, which would include a t-shirt, a hoodie, jeans, and tennis shoes. The complete outfit costs about $175. Sylvia already has $20 she's saved from her birthday. In order to make money, she plans to babysit. She charges $5 each hour she babysits. Any extra money that she makes beyond that $175, she can use to buy accessories for her outfit like socks, bag, and jewelry, etc. To find the variable for the quantity in the situation above that is unknown. Well, the part that is unknown is going to be H, which is going to be the number of hours Sylvia babysits. Are there any constraints on the variable that you defined? Well, we've talked about this in class, and H has to be greater than or equal to 0. She has to work 0 or more hours. Write an equation that relates the amount of money Sylvia has saved to the number of hours that she babysat H. Well, I'm not going to say saved. We're going to call this the amount that she's earned. / has to the number of hours that she babysat. Okay, so we're going to call this, we're going to go ahead and call it S, but S is equal to the rate per hour times number of hours plus a start amount. So with that being said, and this is what we're really wanting you to do, with that being said, we're going to say her total that she has earned / saved is the rate per hour. So is equal to her rate per hour, which is 5 per hour, times the number of hours, which is her H. So $5 times H plus her start amount. Well, her current start amount is that she has saved, I believe, $20. So she's saved so far $20. That's what we're looking for. So in context of the situation, what would it mean if the variable H was equal to 0? Well, that would mean that if H equaled 0, Sylvia babysat 0 hours, meaning not at all. Explain what it would mean to solve this equation that you wrote in number 3. Well, in number 3, we wrote this. If I were to solve it, when S is 70, meaning S equals 70 means the outfit would be a total of $70. She currently has 20, so it basically means that she needs 50 more. Rewrite your equation in number 3. So here's my number 3 equation. S equals 5H plus 20. To help Sylvia figure out how many hours she needs to babysit in order to pay out the actual outfit. Well, the actual outfit up here is $175. So we're going to say $175 equals 5H plus 20. So we're actually going to solve it to see what it is that she needs, how many hours she needs. So we're going to go line down the middle, minus the 20, minus the 20. So 175 is going to turn into 155 equals 5H and divide by 5. Now I end up with H equaled be 31. So now to answer the question, actually, I guess write the equation. This is writing the equation. And then that's writing the equation. So now it says solve the equation. So actually this portion needs to go down here. So 31 hours of babysitting is needed to pay for the outfit. Right, so hopefully that clears that up a little bit better. The next part of this is the same as it was in class, just like we did before. Below the cost of the outfits separately, write a numerical expression. Basically, I'm looking for 2 of each piece, so it's going to be 2 of each, which would be your 10 plus your 45 plus your 50 plus your 70. Then below that, it's asking you to evaluate it 2 different ways. So I'm going to evaluate that 2 different ways. I'm going to put a line down the middle. The first one I'm going to say is 2 times 10 plus 2 times 45 plus 2 times 50 plus 2 times 70. And then simplify that, keep on going. So you're going to have 20 plus 90 plus 100 plus 140. When I finish that out, I should end up with a total of, let's see, that's 100, 200, 330, 40, 50. So 350. The other way of doing this is going to be add all of these. So I'm going to have 2 times 175. And 2 times 175 is 350. So this is distributive property. And this is order of operations. Either way, you get the same answer. The next one, Maxwell. Maxwell got a $20 gift card at Quick Trip. He uses a gift card to buy snacks and put gas in his car. The snacks cost $4.75 and the gas is $2.31 per gallon. Run inequality to describe the situation where G is the maximum number of full gallons of gas that he's available or able to purchase. So I'm going to say the $20 gift card. And what I'm going to spend is going to be less than or equal to. So that's the most I can have. And I'm going to say it's 2.31 per gallon plus 4.75 snacks. So I wrote the inequality. Now it says to solve the inequality in part A, specifically how many gallons, meaning full gallons, of gas Max was able to purchase with his $20 after paying for his snacks as well. So 20 is greater than or equal to 2.31 plus 4.75. Solve it like normal. So take away your 4.75, take away your 4.75, and I end up with 15.25. It's greater than or equal to 2.31 gallons. Divide by 2.31. I end up with, I believe, 6.6 is greater than or equal to the number of gallons. So Max can purchase up to 6 full gallons of gas and get the snacks. The next one, select all the expressions are equivalent to, meaning equal. So this is like a -1 here, so distributive property. 10m plus 3 minus 2m plus 3, which gives me 8m plus 6. And then I would like you to simplify each of these as well. So as you simplify each of these, it should be 8m plus 6, which is the exact same. This gives me 8m, but this gives me 0. This is 10 plus -2, which is 8m. And 3 plus 3 is 6, so that gives 1. This is 8m plus 4m minus 6. This is not 8m, so this is not. And the last one is the exact same. Simplify each expression. We're going to do distributive property. So -9x plus 36. Combine like terms here, so m's go first. 18 and 3 is 21m. -5n and -7n is -12n. solve the expression, show all your work. Line down the middle, take away 25 on both sides. X is less than 50. 50, open dot to the left. 13, we only have, 3 more left to go here. So solve and graph, show all necessary work. Again, line down the middle, add 3. X over 4 is greater than or equal to negative 9. I'm multiplying by a 4, not a negative 4, just a 4. So I get X is greater than or equal to negative 36. Again, line down the middle, at negative 36, closed dot to the right. 14, solve and some unnecessary work. So line down the middle, 15 minus 4x minus 8 is less than negative 33. Combine these, I end up with 7. 7 minus 4x is less than negative 33. Take away 7 from both sides. So negative 4x is less than negative 40. Now here's where it gets sticky here. I'm going to divide by negative 4. Circle the inequality. Divide by negative 4. So I get x, flip that inequality, greater than 10. Line at 10, open dot to the right. And the last one, 15. You want to plant a garden and the space is 22 feet long. Again, I like to show a picture. So this is 22. This is my width. So W equals width. This is up to 165 because I have enough dirt for up to 165. So an inequality. So the 165, that's what I have. It has to be less than or equal to. So 165 is greater than or equal to the amount that I can get on my width here. Length times width. So 22W. Now solve the inequality. It was 165 greater than or equal to 22W divided by 22. When I do that, I end up with W here because I reduce less than or equal to, and I believe that gives me 7.5. So my width is going to be 7.5, and this is in feet and feet squared, so feet. So W is going to be less than or equal to 7.5 feet. That is it. Hope this helps you.